Hey, hello friends, welcome to Kitty and Amma channel. So today we are going to see how to download EPF passbook and how to check the details in it. So to log in to download EPF passbook, you have to first log in to passbook.epfindia.gov.in. So go to this website and provide your UAN and password. Note that only registered members of UAN can view all PF member passbook. That is your own PF member passbook. So after login, select member ID which will be available in drop down. Select view passbook, that is new yearly, that is current year. Okay, so that you will have to click. Under that you can see some columns like EPF wages and EPS wages. So what is that? EPF wages is basic plus DA and EPS wages is standard amount, which is 15,000. That is maximum amount that an employer can consider for pension contribution. So what is employees' share and what is employer's share to PF and pension respectively? So employees share to PF is 10 or 12% of basic plus DA, and employer share to pension is 8.33% of the standard amount, which is 15,000, and employer share to PF is 3.67% of basic plus DA plus difference of 8.33% of EPF wages, which is basic plus DA, and 8.33% of 15,000. So to understand better, let us take this example. Here EPF wages is 16,200. EPS wages is mentioned as 15,000. So the employee contribution to PF will be 16,200 into 12%, which comes to 1,944 rupees. And employer contribution to pension, which is the standard amount calculation, that is 15,000 into 8.33%. Now employer contribution to PF. This is, first you will have to calculate 3.67% of basic plus DA. So here it is 16,200. So 3.67% of 16,200, which comes around 594.54. Now have this amount separately. Now you have to calculate the difference of the actual contribution to EPS and the employer contribution to EPS. Okay, so actual contribution to EPS should have been what? Basic plus DA, right? So of that, employer should have contributed 8.33%. So which comes to 1,349.46. But employer contributed only 8.33% of 15,000 as per law. How much he has contributed? 1,250, right? So this difference amount, the actual contribution should have been 1,349.46, but as per law he can contribute only 1,250 to pension scheme. So this difference amount now goes to the PF contribution, that is it gets added up to 594.54, which is 595. Okay, so this gets added up to that amount. So that you can see here. The difference in pension amount is 99 rupees 0.46. So this amount of 99.46 is added to EPF contribution, which we have calculated earlier. That is 3.67% of basic plus DA plus 99.46 is employer contribution to PF, which is 594.54 plus 99.46, which comes to 694 rupees. So this is the EPF contribution by employer. So this is how EPF and pension are calculated. So go through the passbook and check for calculations. So if you have any doubts in the calculations, you can always ask me through comments. If you like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and also press the bell icon so that whatever video I put in my channel, you can get a notification immediately. Thank you for watching. Thank you.